Keith, how long did it take you to arrive at the decision where to play for college? How long did it take?
After the season, siguro mga took me a long time also. Hindi ko lang ma-count yung months siguro, and days. Kasi siyempre every day talagang pinag-iisipan ko kung ano yung mga mangyayari.
Okay. Is it true that there was an option to play in the United States? Or
It
at
was
least
coming from me. I wanted to try it personally, but
Okay.
there was really no school getting me there. It's much of a choice na galing talaga sa akin na I wanted to try it out sa States. So, there's no like school na sinasabi ng iba na meron dang kumukuha sa akin doon. It just happens to I wanted to try it also.
Is there as a basketball player, it's everyone's dream, not just to play in the PBA, but the NBA. Was there that dream also, that chance of being the first Filipino?
That's why I really wanted to try it out for the States. Kasi nga, you'll never know what will happen eh.
That's right.
Sometimes, all you need is a break. So,
Is that option still there for you to give it a try?
of course, I'm not closing any doors. Pero, yun nga, so, I'm staying here in Ateneo. I'll make the most out of most probably my 5 years, 4 or 5 years playing for Ateneo.
Were there other schools in the running for you? May kinonsider ka ba? Or
Of course, hindi naman pinapakinggan din namin sila.
You mind telling me?
Hindi sarado na
You mind telling me what schools they were?
Some schools, siguro
LaSalle was one.
Sal was one.
NU was another.
one. Of course, before Coach Aboy got out of UP, he wanted to get me.
Alright. But in hindsight, mas timbang ba Ateneo or?
Oo naman. Po. Parang, I really wanted to play for Ateneo. Of course, that's everyone's dream naman. Every high school graduate to play for Ateneo because of their winning tradition, championships. It's very, kumbaga, may bias din ako sa Ateneo. Even just a bit because I really wanted to play for Ateneo.
Were you worried at any point, Keith, that some people were saying, ano ba naman yan? Parang LeBron James, ang tagal-tagal. Were you? I'm sure you heard that criticism at some point, di ba?
Oo naman po. Pero, to make it clear, hindi naman po kami yung ganung family. Hindi naman po kami yung tipong nagpapapresyo.
Of course.
Hindi naman po kami yung... it just had to take time. Of course, it's a life-changing decision.
Of course.
Part of me, just not any decision. I had to take time off. I had to spend more time. Kakagaling ko nga lang sa retreat eh. So it was a good chance for me to really get
Reflect.
guidance from God.
Alright.
Think about things, discern about things siguro. That's why it came to a better end. A better end na ganun.
What ultimately made you decide, okay, I'm comfortable, let's go to Ateneo? What was that?
Of course, kasama rin yung sa puso ko na gusto ko rin talaga mag-Ateneo. It's not about what you hear about the offers. It's really where I wanted to play with.
When did you make that decision?
A week ago.
I'm sorry?
A week ago.
A week ago. Okay. Last few questions. Did your dad or mom at any point tell you, like, son, you have to consider this? Kasi, syempre, I'm good friends with your family. They were telling me that they really left it also up to you, no?
Siguro, di naman yung they're changing my track to playing for another school. I mean, parang sinasabi lang nila na tawag dito na ano ba yun, pakinggan mo rin yung iba. And it's rude na you just close your ears na
Of course.
hindi mo sila papakinggan they're interested in you nga, and it's a blessing na they really want you. So they wanted to hear they wanted me to hear them out. So, pero they left it's still up to me.
What did your brother say?
Doesn't know.
No? Seriously, Curly doesn't know yet?
And my sister also. Actually, the first one to know. I mean, coming from me.
Alright. Okay. I'm sure you've informed Coach Norman.
Oh yeah.
What did Coach Norm tell you?
Actually, Coach Norman is coming from Bacolod, so at nasabi pa lang ng dad ko sa kanya, pero hindi ko pa personally nasasabi sa kanya. I don't know what he's gonna say. Of course, sana maging matawa si Coach Norman.
Oo naman. Nung nagkita tayo sa College Basketball Awards, sabi ng dad mo that mag-uusap sila ni Coach sa labas. I think you were waiting for Coach to arrive from the States, diba? For that final usap-usapan, diba? Did Coach tell you anything?
Actually, I never got the chance to talk to Coach Norman after coming from the States, arriving from the States. That was the first time I saw him from the States, so I really wanted to hear their side. Kasi, of course, during that time, I'm really like 90% sure of my decision. I just wanted to hear it coming from them.
To validate it?
Yeah.
Okay, last question. How do you feel about the lineup next year? There's you, there's Greg, there's Talio, there's Juan. That's quite a team. You have Capasha there.
Yeah.
And
Strong lineup on paper. Everyone's not playing. It's not complete.
But you're excited,
it's not
huh?
strong. Of course, I'm excited to play with those guys. Of course, they had the experience. I also want to share my talents with the talented team already. Just to excited.
Last question. If you were given the chance to play for Smart Gilas, would you?
Yeah, of course. It's,
National team?
It's a Philippine team.
Lalo na they're trying to go to the Olympics, di ba?
Of course. Yeah, it's everyone's dream to play for the Olympics. I mean, just to the Philippines. I think it's every college player's priority, or it's said by Coach Raiko during one of our practices. Playing for the national team is not sacrifice. Somehow of a privilege because you get your allowance, you get so many plus in your young career. So really, they're getting me for Smart Gilas. It's really humbling to know that they really want me to play.
Pero you having played with the national team before, ano feeling mo na you hear your national anthem, you represent the country?
Nakakakilabot. Kasi, lalo na if you're playing in another turf, na everyone's against you. Hear that you stand still, stand straight, stand proud. Really, it's mind-boggling, so to speak. Playing for the Philippines.